Welcome to Nature Way. Let's see how to make oat smoothie today. To make the smoothie, first I've taken 3 spoons of rolled oats. As you know, oats are rich in antioxidants and it helps in lowering your cholesterol levels and also helps in blood sugar control. It's very filling and it helps you in losing weight. Soak the oats in water for 10 minutes. As you know, oats contain phytic acid, which impairs the absorption of iron, zinc and calcium, and also it blocks the production of digestive enzymes. You can either soak the oats or roast the oats. In either way, it helps in break the phytic acid content. While you soak the oats, add 2 cashew in it for healthy fats. Also, remove the water you soak the oats as it can contain phytic acid. Use fresh water for blending purpose. To the blender, add the soaked oats and cashews. Here I am using a small apple. Apple is a low-calorie fruit. So I'm adding a small cinnamon stick and then blend all together. Your apple oat smoothie is ready. For extra sweetness, you can add dates, honey or raisins. This is a very easy and healthy breakfast smoothie. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.